Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get a free Lyft ride right there in your Lyft app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. For that purpose, first of all, let's go ahead and open our Lyft app here in our mobile phone. Once our app is open, you're practically gonna see this kind of interface. For you to get some free rides, or is that you have to make sure that you've been using it, you've been earning some points, you've been getting some gift cards, some recommendations points, etc. Other than that, you do not have a particular option where you can go ahead and get a free ride until and unless it is the particular offer is given by the Lyft app right there for special occasions, like like Christmas, like New Year. For special occasions, if there are like some free rides, so yeah, then you will be able to get notified, get these notifications that the free rides are available. Make sure you use it options. Other than that, what you can do is tap three horizontal line, go to this gift cards option, and now you can go ahead buy a gift card. And what a gift card would do is it will give you some rewards points and some of the discount cards. So if you have gotten one, simply go ahead, add in the gift card number. You will be able to redeem the gift card, will know how much it was worth, and whenever you plan or book a ride right there in a Lyft, you can use that gift amount, which will basically mean you don't have to use your own money. So it will be redeemed and will be paid by the gift money. So it will basically be free for you. So this is one of the options for you all. You can go ahead, check this rewards as well. Here you can add your promo code, which will simply be again help you with your ride next time. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.